Mm-hmm.
Those are her eyebrows.
Mm-hmm.
She's like,
Mm-hmm.
right there, right there.
She's so cute. Oh. She really likes being held.